Hello, my name is Gage and I, along with my lab assistant Violet, will be demonstrating to you my Rube Goldberg machine. My class section is 1202 and I'm a part of group 308. So it begins with this little lever right here. I push down on this end and I would lift up on this edge, causing this end of the lever to rise. Tipping this cup over. This cup is full of marbles. The marbles will roll down this inclined plane, gathering speed enough to hit this wheel and axle. The wheel will rotate, hitting this car along the way. This car will then fall into this cup attached to a balloon. This cup system is rigged to a pulley at the very top, allowing this cup to fall all the way down onto our wedge at the very end. The wedge is obviously some thumbtacks that will enable us to pop the balloon. Alright, as this is the first time I'm actually putting this whole thing together, let's not be judgy if nothing works. So, let's start it off. See, it starts off like that. Okay. Alright, so redesign plan. Obviously, I need to fix the starting part of it because I cannot move the cup using the lever at this time. Maybe I should widen out the wedge, like this the standing block on the wedge, or I can get rid of these railings at the beginning. They seem unnecessary, but I do require railings for this part. While I was testing it on my own, I noticed that the marbles would go off on all directions, not necessarily hitting the wheel and axle. So better railings, maybe more of an incline to hit the wheel and axle with more force to drive the car. Also, the car needs railings as well in order to guide it into the cup. I also need to design, maybe confer with my lab group about designing a better pulley. I wasn't 100% clear on it. I made a straw with some string, but obviously that needs to be reworked. I think that I can definitely generate enough force, maybe something heavier than the toy car. We have the bouncy ball and the yo-yo we can also add into there, so just something enough so that when we drop it down onto the wedge, it actually pops instead of just kind of standing there. Also, I need a new balloon. This one's full of holes, so I needed tape to put that back together. All right.